Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to know if your docking station is working, signs, checks, and easy test guide. First is the visual and physical check. The power indicator. Look for an illuminated LED light on the dock's power adapter and the main hub itself. No light indicates a dead outlet or faulty power cable. Firm cable connection. Ensure the cable connecting the dock to your laptop is plugged securely into the upstream port, usually marked with a laptop icon. The bypass extension. Then test the dock with the original cable that came with it. Third-party cables often lack the bandwidth to transmit video or power. The software and system check. Device Manager for Windows. Simply press Windows key plus X and select Device Manager. Then from the option, expand categories like universal serial bus controllers, network adapters, and monitors to ensure the dock or its connected peripherals are recognized without a yellow warning triangle. The system report Mac. Click the Apple menu and then hold Option, and then click System Information to check under the Thunderbolt or USB tabs. The driver and firmware updates. Outdated drivers are the most common reasons for docks failing. So download the latest firmware specific to your brand from Dell or Morgan. Step-by-step troubleshooting. First, hard power cycle. Unplug the dock from power and then disconnect it from your laptop. Then unplug all the peripherals and wait for at least 10 seconds. Once done, reconnect everything. Next is to update laptop graphics. Display issues often stem from outdated laptop video card drivers. So update your primary graphics drivers before checking dock-specific drivers. Next is isolate ports. If a monitor is blank, try a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable. If a mouse doesn't work, plug it directly into the laptop to determine if the issue is the mouse or the dock port. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.